Thank you for calling Bangkok Airways. How can I help you?
I would like to book a night organizer for one passenger, please.
Certainly. May I have your first and last name, please?
My first name is Warawan and my last name is Sipum.
Your first name Worrawan and your last name Sripum. Is that correct?
That's right.
Thank you. From which city would you like to depart and which city is your decision, please?
I would like to depart from Bangkok City to Sydney City.
Thank you. So that's from Bangkok going to Sydney City. Is that right?
Exactly.
Thank you. May I have the date of your departure, please?
I would like the night on Sunday of November 5th.
Thank you. Please hold the phone while I check the availability of your flight. Thank you for waiting, Miss Sipum.
No problem.
Here is your flight in premium economy from Bangkok to Sydney, and the price is $1,300.
That's great. Thank you.
Would you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat?
I have no preference as I have enough leg room that choose before.
Alright, then here is the reference number of your flight. And remember to check in at the counter 2 hours before your scheduled flight. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good. Thank you too. Goodbye.
Bye.